Hola amigos, ¿cómo está? Hey guys, this is Danny. I'm coming on to tell you about something that's coming up in a couple of days here. If you've been on the channel lately, you've seen that the last Spanish episode was lesson 99. I couldn't believe it. It's gone quickly, but I was trying to think, what do we do for number 100? It's got to be something cool. So I was talking to a couple of the people on the language tutor team, and I was talking to Amber, and I was saying, hey, do we do another lesson? Do we just keep going teaching Spanish? But we came up with something a little different. I just thought to myself, hey, one of the things that I would love to do on the 100th is to actually just hang out with all of you. And so what I'm going to do is this coming Saturday, that's December the 12th, at 10 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. That's here in Georgia in the United States. 10 o'clock in the morning, this coming Saturday, I'm going to go live on YouTube, and I'm going to just do a little session. We're hanging out, talking, answering questions, that sort of thing. So I'll be coming on live, and I hope you all will please join me. And send me your questions, send me your comments, and it can be questions about Spanish or about anything. Let's just hang out and talk a little bit and get to know one another. I'm realizing that we have language tutor friends all over the world, and it just blows my mind. It's so cool that I have friends everywhere in the world. But that's what we're going to do. So I want to ask you to please join me on the YouTube channel live this coming Saturday, December the 12th. At 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I'm looking forward to hanging out with all of you and spending time, and I hope to see you really soon, and I wish for all of you paz y bendiciones in the rest of this week, and the rest of the month, and the rest of 2020, and I'll see you this coming Saturday. Hasta pronto.